Hi everyone, our today's topic classifications of signal. Based upon their nature and characteristics, the signal can be divided into two types. First one is continuous time signal and second one is discrete time signal. Let's see continuous time signal. Continuous time signal is defined for all instants of time, or continuous time signal is defined for all intervals of time. Let's see the basic rules in continuous time signal. In continuous time signal, amplitude is continuous and time is also continuous. Okay, let's see the figure. Okay, in x-axis time in seconds and y-axis x of t. So continuous time signal is denoted as x of t. Here we can take a random signal. So what is the definition for continuous time signal? Continuous time signal is defined for all instant of time. Suppose we define signal at 1.5, we can take reference line like this and we can define what is the amplitude of the signal is 5. Similarly at 2.2, what is the amplitude of signal? 4. At 3, what is the amplitude of signal? 7. At 0.5, what is the amplitude of signal? 10. Like that we can define the signal for all instant of time, or we can define the signal for all intervals of time. Okay. Continuous time signals are represented by x of t, where x represents the shape of the signal and t shows that the variable is time. All practical signals are continuous in nature. Continuous time signals are also called as analog signals. Next one, discrete time signal. What is discrete time signal? A discrete time signal is defined at certain intervals of time. Or a discrete time signal is defined only at a certain time instance. The general definition for discrete time signals are: here amplitude is continuous and time is discrete. Okay, these are the rules. In discrete time signals, amplitude is continuous, time is discrete. Let's see the figure for discrete time signals. So in x-axis, here n, we are taking x-axis as n. Why? Because all the samples are in discrete nature, and y-axis is x of n. Okay, continuous time signals is denoted as x of t and discrete time signals are denoted as x of n. What is the definition for discrete time signal? A discrete time signal is defined at certain intervals of time. Okay, here we can define the signal at specified intervals only. We can define the signal at specified intervals, that is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 seconds. Here we can define the signals at specified intervals only. At 1.5 we cannot define the signal amplitude. At 1.5 we cannot define the signal. At 2.2 we cannot define the signal. At 4.5 we cannot define the signals. Okay, in discrete time signals, the signal is defined at specified intervals only. Okay, specified intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, here amplitude is continuously varying. Okay, time t is discrete. Why? Because here we can define the signal at specified intervals only. We cannot define signal at anywhere. We cannot define the signal at anywhere. Why? Because the signals are because the signal amplitudes are discrete samples. A discrete time signal is represented as x of n, where small n stands for discrete intervals of time. Therefore, for a discrete time signal, the independent random variable is x, and the magnitude of the discrete time signal is defined only for integer values of independent random variable x. Thank you.